In this video, we are learning about the applications of ratios and rates. Ratio types. Some ratios are part-to-part ratios, and some ratios are part-to-whole ratios. Consider the following set of squares. This set of squares has the following part-to-part ratios. The shaded squares to the unshaded squares, which is there's 2 shaded squares to 3 unshaded squares. The unshaded squares to shaded squares. So there's 3 that are unshaded to 2 shaded squares. That's another part-to-part ratio. Then there are part-to-whole ratios, where we have the part over the whole. So here, one example is the shaded squares to all of the squares. So there's 2 to 5. Or the unshaded squares, 3 unshaded squares, to all of the squares, which would be 5. So 3 to 5. It's another example of a part-to-whole ratio. Example 1. A concrete mix is composed of 1 part cement, 2.5 parts sand, and 4 parts gravel by volume. What are the part-to-whole ratios of cement, sand, and gravel? Solution. Whole mix is 1 part cement plus 2.5 parts sand and plus 4 parts gravel. So the whole would be 7.5. So the part-to-whole ratio of cement to the whole mix would be 1 part cement to 7.5. The part-to-whole ratio of sand to the whole mix would be 2.5 parts sand to 7.5. The part-to-whole ratio of gravel to the whole mix would be the parts that is gravel, 4 parts, to the whole, which is 7.5.